Do you feel like your food forest project is just messy and complicated and it needs all kinds of elaborate planning and it's all a pain in the neck and I just can't get to it because it's summer? Yeah, I know the feeling. But here's a trick that'll help you a lot. If you simply cut some nice pathways right through the weeds, right around all of your trees. I got all kinds of food forest plants and trees in here. We've got cassava and pears and cherries and all kinds of stuff. However, it looks like a crazy weedy mess, and you get this bad haircut phase of a food forest where it just is awful looking. But if you just go ahead and cut some pathways, the pathways give you all these little vistas that you can explore and you can cut through, and it makes it feel finished right in your first year and beautiful and exciting, even if it's just weeds you're cutting in between. So if you want to learn more, check out my food forest course, which is now available in our community. I'll see you over there. It'll help you a lot.